Morning vlog. Welcome back. So today I made a oopsie whoopsie, a fucky wucky.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna start today off with a big oopsie on Brandon's part. We'll show you guys in a second. But also, I think we're just gonna be hanging out today. We're gonna be doing an oil change on the Miata and probably going to Pat's house, hanging out with all the boys. So you guys will see all them, and let's show you Brandon's oopsie. This is gonna be a fun time. Brandon, what'd you do?
I may or may not have broke my axle. Maybe.
Did you already take the axle out?
No. Look. Wait, what?
Oh, hell no.
And it didn't slip out.
Bro, what?
I thought it slipped out, but you know. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you guys saw this thing in the last video, you understand why and how that happened. Well, guys, we're gonna figure out how to fix this oopsie. I think he needs a whole new axle. We thought the axle just popped out, but it looks like the actual axle is broken. So, Brandon, what's the plan? You gonna order a new axle and wait for it?
Oh, I have it coming today.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Works out. All right, guys, so let's pull the Miata in and start on this oil change while Brandon does the axle stuff. I think he's just removing the axle for the time being till the parts come in. And yeah, we'll get going for the day. Dude, it's gonna hit 83 degrees.
And Steven wants to day long today.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, so let's start jacking it up. And Brandon has a special surprise.
No, I don't.
Should we tell him? So guys, we decided to make some key tags. We wanted something a little smaller to throw on your keys or something like that. So these are going to be the 4 colors we're going to be producing. And these will be on the website very, very soon. They're pretty sick.
Black and white. Blue and white.
Oh, Brandon's colorblind. He has to think about it.
Red and white. Black and gold.
This one's actually yellow.
Shit. Fuck, man.
So I decided to resort to jacking it up by the control arm. Not the best, but like, it'll do. Brandon's still struggling with that axle over there, so let's jack this thing up. This jack is screaming for dear life. The Miata is up in the air on jack stands. We're gonna do a quick oil change. We're gonna get under there, drain the oil. Let's get it done.
You might wanna. There you go.
Bro, I'm gonna fucking burn myself so bad. Fuck, man.
Yes, please drip more oil on my freaking floor.
That was hot as shit.
The worst.
That was hot as shit, bro.
Oil all over my floor.
It was fucking hot.
So?
Suck my dick.
Yeah, clean it up. Peasant.
I love Brandon. Oh, that was a fucking direct hit on my nuts.
You guys see that? This is what happens when base bullies me.
So now that we have all the oil drained, Brandon's little tiny baby hands are gonna pull the oil filter.
Hey, having small hands is a blessing.
What? Sometimes.
Because then my fingers aren't as big as my dick.
Stupid.
Put a microfiber. Because when the filter drains, there's no exit because the subframe is right there.
Yeah.
Fucking Mazda.
Stupid.
Move the camera, you filthy whore.
Wow, look at those tiny baby hands.
Oh.
Are you getting oil all over my engine?
Good.
Good. It already leaks oil all over itself.
Yeah, you know how engines need oil? You pour it on your engine too.
Exactly. Okay.
Alright, lube it, right?
Yeah. Pour some tea on it. Please don't.
First step, right? Grab your oil. Or this is like step number like 4. Grab your oil, right? And
tasty. Oh.
yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Filthy.
Yeah. Make sure you lick your finger after you're done.
Yeah, oil's good for your car, so it's good for you too.
Exactly.
Alright, don't do that. We gotta leave that part in there. We can't get sued.
And then pour up a shot. And after you're done pouring up a shot, you take the shot. Alright, Brandon, drink that shit.
This is so it doesn't run dry.
Yeah. There it goes back in with Brandon's baby hands.
Mace, we didn't get the right filter.
You're lying.
Look, it's not going on.
You're lying.
This is kind of toasty.
You're lying to me.
Freaking Mazda.
Yeah.
Let's put the freaking oil filter right here.
Mazda fucked up.
So, if you own a Miata, you would know these things break.
You will never have a dipstick handle ever.
They actually still make it OEM.
Yeah.
But it's like kind of expensive.
Guys, if you own a Miata and you're watching this video and you don't have a broken dipstick handle, please leave a comment down there letting us know that you don't have a broken dipstick handle, because that's elite. That's elite Miata.
DM me.
Yeah, DM us on the Slanted Co on Instagram showing us your non-broken dipstick, and we will do something.
Steven's gonna look at the freaking DMs. He's gonna be like, what the fuck is this?
Alright guys, so we're gonna finish doing this. Putting some oil in, making sure we have enough, and we will close everything back up. And what are we gonna do next?
Go grab the axle.
Go get the axle for Brandon's clap box over there. We are picking up the axle right now for Brandon's BRZ. We will head back to Brandon's house and hopefully throw that in really quick. So after we put in the axle, we will probably head over to Pat's house. Steven is doing the data logging for his tune right now. Hopefully he got us some clips, so we'll cut to him and see how he's doing over there.
Alright boys, switch over to the mobile camera. We're about to go, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go data log Steven's car because he just got hella mods and he needs a tune so his car can be big boy fast. Gang shit. So I think we have to do, what do we have to do?
Right now we're just driving locally for 15 minutes, and then after that we're gonna do a wide open pool.
Alright, so we just approached the 15-minute mark. We're heading up to the spot right now, pulling up to Mexico real quick. We're about to do this pool. Yeah, start log. Okay, and go. Foot to the floor.
Foot to the floor, bro. Foot to the floor!
Hey, that shit moved. How was it?
Bro, that was so fucking scary.
Like my schlong.
No
said
way!
what?
No way! You just fit that in the trunk.
Our trunk is so spacious, dude. You can fit like everything in there.
All right. Uh-oh. Well, we're back. Well, we have an axle.
You have an axle? Turn off your car.
Spraying Freon out of it.
Oh, God.
Like, it's literally covering Freon now. It was spraying out of here.
Oh, I see.
And then it just went everywhere, and I just replaced it.
Oof.
And now my car smells like burnt oil, too.
Oh, I see. This is what happens if you don't do floor play.
Floor play?
Floor play.
Remember, guys, always do foreplay.
And if you don't, use lube.
All right, so we got the axle out. Brandon's gonna replace it with...
Brandon got the axle out.
Fuck up. All right, so the axle is out. Brandon's gonna replace it with the new axle and probably break that one as well.
Probably.
So we'll be back next week with another new axle.
Yeah, probably the other side's gonna give out, huh?
All right, Brandon, so what do you have to do? Is it in?
No.
What do you have to do?
Okay, so guys, so there's this.
Why did you stand up?
There's this one clip, right? Right here? Right?
Yeah.
So I just gotta force it in until it clicks.
Oh boy. Good luck.
Yep. With no space.
So, we'll come back when Brandon maybe gets the axle in.
Not happy.
Wish him the best. Pray for this man. All right. He did it, boys.
Kind of.
He did it.
Yes!
And I think we're getting a package. And then what'd you forget?
My man.
Nothing.
What'd you forget, Brandon?
What?
What'd you do?
What do you mean? I caught myself.
Oh. Brandon forgot to tighten the axle.
No.
Oh.
No.
Why you lying, bro? Why you lying?
I didn't forget. I was like, why is this socket still out here?
All right, so Brandon's gonna wrap this whole thing up, finish tightening everything up, and I think we're gonna head over to Pat's, see Steven and Pat. So I'll see you guys when we're over there. We made it to Pat's house. Steven apparently finished data logging, but they still haven't finished the starlights.
This man said, bro, I was done. This man said, oh my god, he has all this left.
Bruh.
I can't believe it. You guys haven't started gluing?
No.
Oh my god, bro.
Nothing.
Y'all are the worst.
Hey man, when you're self-employed, you can do whatever you want.
Pro tips from Steven.
Work on your own time.
Alright guys,
My channel.
we're gonna call it here. Cause they're not gonna be done this shit for like
1400,
another 5 hours.
6.
Yeah.
Hey man, I need my break when I need my break, dog.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much as usual for coming along, tagging along today, and watching the videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you enjoyed this video. Also, we just dropped the pre-orders today, so hopefully the pre-orders will still be up by the time you guys are seeing this video. So if they are, go down in the description and check out the shop. Anyways, thank you guys for coming. Like I said, we will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Also, remember, Pat loves you guys. Just had to add that in. I know he's doing starlights.